Hi, I'm Amber with WTI. If you're somebody that uses your phone as much as I do in the car for GPS reasons, then you're going to want to get this little device. It is so easy to install. So here you have everything you need to get started. We have 2 wipes to make sure your dash is nice and clean. We have a protective film. This is going to protect your device. Then you're going to stick the magnet to the device. There's 2 different magnets. There's a rectangular one and a circular one. Then just remove the protective film from the magnet. Next, you're going to take the circular sticker and attach that wherever you would like it. Remove the protective film off of that and then remove the back from your device. Stick the device on the previous sticker and you're good to go. So I really like this design because it is really easy to use and is nice and flexible. This is very durable. After you install this, you want to make sure that you don't use it for 24 hours. You can use this in a car, you can use it in a house, stick it to a wall, stick it to your dash. Really, the choices are endless. So this has made my life so much easier when it comes to navigating. And so I really enjoy it and I think you will too. And that is my point of view.